me when you want me to put it on mute.
Okay, I'm about to start now.
Alright.
What do I say? I don't even know what I be talking about. Okay. I haven't done a makeup tutorial in so long. I don't even know what to do. Okay. Hey fam, welcome back to my channel, y'all. So today I decided to jump on the bandwagon to do I tried following blah 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 a makeup tutorial. So the person I chose to follow, as you guys can see from the title, is Msroshposh. I really like her content, and I didn't want to like do someone who was like not my skin color or like not my race. I wanted to do someone who was kind of similar to me, you know what I'm saying, like in just in skin tone. I think, you know, trying to make it a little easier for your girl. I'm gonna do her easy blue smoky eye makeup tutorial, and this was posted like a year ago. Yeah, this was 2016. So I'm gonna let y'all see the little intro, do what it looked like.
Hey everyone, it's Raschelle and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing this little blue
Okay.
Alright guys, so I've already filmed.
Okay, she already did her brows, so I guess I need to do my brows. I don't even have my makeup mirror in here. Oh my gosh, okay. Okay, eyes is back, eyes is back. Okay. Just so y'all know, I'm like blind as a bat right now. I don't have my contacts in. As y'all saw, I had my glasses on, so I'm just gonna use this Beauty Supply pencil and dark brown, and I'm gonna do my brows really quickly. Eyebrows are now done. I tried to do them sort of thin because her eyebrows aren't like thin, but they're super like high arch, so I don't know. I'm sorry if my eyebrows look bad. I'm sorry, okay? Let me continue the tutorial.
Just to clean them up a bit. So now I'm just going to go ahead and apply a base to the eyelid before I apply my eyeshadow. So I'm going to take a black gel liner and I'm going to apply this down as a base for my eyeshadow because...
A black gel liner. I don't know, like I don't have a black gel liner, so I'm just going to conceal my eyelids with Fawn. Like concealer, okay. So I'm using this. This is probably going to be a disaster because this is nothing like what she's using. Okay, so she's using a warm brown eyeshadow color. I have my Morphe 350 warm matte palette. Yeah, matte palette. Mix this one with that one. Blended it out and stuff. It's a warm brown. Actually, I feel like it's a little bit deeper, so I'm gonna go into this one. I'm gonna mix these two, so that one and this one. I don't have any technique at all, so that's why I know like makeup. I like makeup, but I'm not a makeup girl.
Next, I'll be taking this gorgeous blue eyeshadow from Charity. This is Fetish. It is super, super blue. And I'm going to take my
Okay, so
Zoeva 234 brush and I'm
Coastal Scents 88 Ultra Shimmer Palette. So, yep, there's this really pretty blue right here. So I think I'm going to use this blue. Yeah, I'll use a primer spray.
So I'm just going back into the eyeshadow pan in my bowl. I'm just going to place that into the crease. And
Whoa, man. Whoa. Calm down. So she's packing it in. I've done all the blue.
Okay guys, so now I'm going to go ahead and create a liner on top, but I'm not going to wing it out. So I'm going to go into my gel liner. So I'm going to start from the outer corner and then work into the
I'm just gonna use my Wet n Wild Mega Liner. So now she's using a pencil brush. I'm gonna use this thing, and she's using black, so I'm gonna use that first black that we used. So yeah, again, this is the Exposed palette. And I'm just gonna use the black. The black.
Sure.
And she's like...
And of course we're gonna blend that out like our light the pep.
So I'm just putting it here first. I know you're like, Tommie, what are you doing? Okay. Trying to blend, blend, blend. She's using falsies. I hate falsies.
So now I'm going to add some mascara to my lashes before applying my falsies.
I'm using the Benefit They're Real.
Now I'm going to move on to the skin. So I'm going to take my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer and
I'm just going to use my e.l.f. Mineral Infuse and the Blemish Control. Okay, got primed up. She did some orange concealer under her eye for some discoloration. I'm gonna skip that.
Foundation, this is in the shade NC45. It is full coverage, honey.
Girl, tell me why I went and got a sample of this color like a while ago. So this is Fix Fluid NC45. So could use my like Real Technique little sponge, but I don't feel like doing all that. So we're gonna use a stippling brush and the foundation. I don't know how much I need.
The foundation all over. Concealer in the shade 3.75, and that's what I'm going to use to do my highlight today.
I'm going to use Cool Tan by LA Girl because I don't own Anastasia. I'm gonna use the L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Powder.
Today I'm going to use my bandwagon powder.
So she's baking.
Banana. You can use your Laura Mercier translucent powder.
I'm just going to use my Morphe banana powder. Now this stuff caused like crazy flashbacks.
So I can snatch my nose.
So we're snatching noses.
If you don't want it to look like really cakey and dry and powdered under the eyes, do not apply a lot of powder. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and do my contour.
So my camera died. Like, of course that would happen. So she's contouring. Like I said, I was using my Morphe banana powder. Actually, I'm still baking. It's like been minutes, so this probably stuck on my face. But I'm just gonna use a. What is she doing? Okay, now she's yeah, she doing the contour. So I'm gonna use my Black Radiance True Complexion contour palette in medium deep. I'm gonna use my Real Technique contour brush. So I mixed the contour shade with the scope shade because I feel like the contour is a little dark. She said make this face. She also put the banana powder under her contour. So now we're dusting away all the powder.
Okay, so I'm not going to leave the eyes like this. I'm going to go ahead and complete the eyes. So I'm just going to...
And I'm just going to dust away this one too. Is it gone? Is it gone? She's going back to eyeshadow. So, and she's going with that brown color again. Bottom lash line. I'm gonna use a little brush. So just put this under. Whoa, this is really red. I should have mixed it again. I tried to just use one color this time and it's so freaking brown. Ugh. And it's in my eye. And she used the black eyeliner. Do I even have black eyeliner? Okay.
10 fan brushes, and that is my favorite brush.
So she's using a highlighter, something Laura Geller or something. I'm gonna use my ColourPop K-Pop Glow Up highlighter.
Because I can't live without that brush. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at that freaking glow. Like, so now I'm gonna add some of that illuminator down my nose as well. Not a lot. I don't want to go crazy on the nose because sometimes I go crazy on the nose. Add a tiny bit of blush on the cheeks. So I'm just gonna use the same highlighter that I use on.
So we're using blush, okay? I found the blush. I have the Marc Jacobs Kink and Kisses. So yeah, I'm gonna use this. She said a little bit, so.
Apply at the inner corner of my eye.
So she's using highlight at the inner corners. So more highlight here. Okay, did we get it? Is that it?
Okay. My favorite lip pencil. This is Port by MAC. I use it so.
This is a Jordana lip liner. It's in Latte. It's not even the same color. I'm so weak. I had like 3, so I'm like, which one should I do? Maybe I should have done Honey Dips. I'm trying Honey Dip on top. Liquid lipstick. Do I have one in that color? Okay, here's one. I'm gonna use this one. I think it's by ColourPop and it's Stingray. Yep, Stingray is not the color. But you know what? We'll mix it. So we're gonna mix it. So I'm gonna do Stingray. And I'm gonna do a lip gloss that's really light. So this one is called Sensual. And I got this from a beauty supply store. I don't even know who it's by, but does this work? Maybe I should just do my regular gloss. Yeah, we probably should do that. Just gonna pat some of that off and use a gloss. Okay, here's the finished look. Okay guys, so this is my finished look. I think I did not a color I would normally choose to do, but for just me attempting this, I think I passed the test. I aced it. I did that. So yeah, I didn't even know I missed like the spot around here. Look, don't pay attention to it, okay? Like, it's all right. That's why I hate that Morphe powder, but it's okay. It's okay.